Hey, what's going on, e-bikers? It's Memphis Daryl B, and right now I'm gonna do an unboxing for the HappyRun G100. It was delivered today, but what I'm gonna let you know on top is they didn't use FedEx, they didn't use UPS or DHL or whatever you want to call them. They use a company called Seva. And when I tell you, let me try to come forward, I can show you what it is. Seva is C-E-V-A. I don't know if you can see it, but when I tell you about this company, man, I love them. I hope more people use them, more companies use them. Because, first of all, the box is in perfect condition. And how many of y'all can say that y'all got y'all box in perfect condition from, especially FedEx or UPS? Both of them had their days where they worse than the other one. But anyway, it came in top notch shape. And let me let you know off top, when they call and set an appointment for you to get your e-bike or pick up whatever your package is. They set an appointment with you. They call and set an appointment. Then, what I liked about it was 45 minutes before the appointment, the driver called and said, hey, look, just trying to make sure you're at home. I'm about to bring your package to you. I'm 30 minutes out, whatever case may be. You need me to come later or whatever case may be. So, I like this company. The driver was cool when he got here, everything. So, just wanted to say it out top. So, I like the company they're using. But anyway, for those that don't know about the HappyRun G100 or HappyRun period, you can go to my YouTube page and check them out for the bike I have, or you can just go to their website at HappyRunSports.com. HappyRunSports.com. And you can check them out. You can see it. You can look at the G100. They got it one in royal blue and red color with white. Basically like 4th of July type of colors, Captain American or whatever you want to say, like the type of colors. And they got yellow and black one. That's real popular. But right now on the website it's showing that's been sold out. But I'm pretty sure HappyRun is real good about restocking. So I'm pretty sure they have restocked soon. And yeah, but let me get to it though. So just bear with me. I'm gonna try to open these up right quick out my scissors. If not, I got this right here to see can I get this open, and then after that we can try to put it together for you guys. You see how we do it. Anyway, at least we really got these scissors, they cut straight through it. But you can see this box is real good, real good shape. There we go. Woo! That was cool. But you can see it was packed really good. Alright. Oh wow. I don't know if you guys can see that, but man, this is awesome. Alright, e-bikers, I got everything out of the box, but honestly, I opened the box wrong. I literally had to cut the straps, cut the sides of the box, lay it to the side, and pull the box up. But let me show you this bike. It's beautiful. When I tell you they package it perfect, it's like not a scratch, nothing's wrong with it. Everything is good. Like, there's no problem with anything. I'm telling you, they really did their thing just by the package alone. With all the foam and everything they did on both sides. This one of the batteries that's on it, handlebar, so it's not much to even put together. And these right here is the parts and accessories. This is where the parts and accessories came in. That's the front tire. And you have 2 batteries, a lock. This is right here is the for the back brake and the turn signals. You have your pedals to put on. You have your disc brake. And there's a tire pump, kickstand, and that bag that says HappyRun on it, they actually give you tools. And there's the NFC cards for the bike. There's the keys for the battery. Those little things right there is the front turn signals. That's the headlight, and that's the other battery right here for the top. And that's the back fender and the front fender. So let's just put this thing together right now. I'm ready to ride. What's going on out here in front of the Las Vegas Spirit on the G100? Everything is put together. Took less than about 30 minutes. Man, when I tell you, it rides smooth. It's quick, it's fast. The suspension is good. The seat is comfortable. Everything about it is good. They did not leave one thing out, every detail on it they did right. The display is good. NFC to turn the bike on. 2 batteries, man. It's perfect. I'm telling you. I can't wait to do my DIY on it. I'm gonna post a video of it soon. I'm waiting for a couple of things to come in for it, just like I did my G50. So I got something I plan on doing for this one. But if you guys really like this, man, just go to HappyRunSports.com. They also got a yellow and black version of this one. That's wow. That's sick too. So you guys please check it out.